Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Google News in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, go to the Google Chrome, open Google Chrome. In Google Chrome, at the top, we find new tab. Click on this plus button. New tab is open. Here in new tab, here we find Google Apps. Click on the Google Apps. In Google Apps, find news. Click on the news. Wait for a few seconds and Google News is open in your Windows 10. After that, at the top in a Google Chrome, we find three dot. Click on these three dot in a Google Chrome. Scroll down and find save and share. Go to the save and share. Here we find install Google News. Click on install Google News. It's fine install or cancel. I want to install. Click on the install. New window is open. Close it. Close the Google Chrome. On desktop we find Google News. On my taskbar we find Google News. On start we find Google News in our app list. It is installed in our Windows 10. Now open it. Open it from anywhere. I open it from the desktop. Double click on it. And Google News is open in Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is installed on our Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.